Good morning. Here's my Econoline E100 3-window pickup for sale. Here's a short video. I can only go a minute at a time. It's painted inside and out. Here's the motor, 302 roller rocker, ATK built motor. New gauges with Ford script, NOS horn cap, all the blinkers work. This is a nice machine. It's from Davis Monthan Air Force Base.